Guys, welcome back. Today we are diving to CXPL, which is plasma coin. So it's right now coin trading around 18 cents, and guys, is it time to buy? Because most of the coin is just it's bouncing back. Is it time to buy? Let's dive in now, guys, to see if this is the right time to buy some of these coins. So right now I'm going to start with this kind of this chart here. So this is very simple. Always just take all time high when they listed around $1 and took this area also as a support. Let's see what will be our next so we should go to test it on XPL. So on 0.34. so this is called a buying zone, buying dip all the way here. Expect that resistance 34 cents, 48 cents, 59, 70 cents, 87, and that. And if the stock is going to break upside, how much, guys? This is the coin that, guys, is XPL Plasma, just like XRP, XCN, and XDC, or what's the name of this coin? Stellar, which Stellar XLM. So this one is telling you like it's easy to hit $4 if you take that, guys. This should be the long term. If you believe this is going to be huge in the next 2030 or next 28 or next bull run. Okay, so we have this buying signal came in, and always, guys, have this called the price section. So it told you to buy at this dip around 11 cents. So we don't have any sale here. So is it time to go to buy dip today? So I'm going to tell you, I'm going to let me take this one right now, because we have already done with that support and resistance. So I started this one on yesterday on XL. So where will be our next support now? If this thing, it may be dropped to, you see this area. So yeah, it may be dropped to 16 cents, which is not much in terms if you started this year. And I've already told you around 34 cents is a resistance. So if this indicating you like that dots, that it was time to buy. And let's see, yeah, it's time to buy. So the best time to buy this stock or coin, you can use something like 4-hour chart here. So on momentum is just silly is good. So you can wait that for 4 hours chart to signal buy. And you see also we have this. So last time we saw this pie here. It told you pie here. Let me pie here. If you sell here and pie here. If you have been using these technicals holding XPL, you should be right now. You should be on profit right now. Okay, if you buy the same at 13 cents, and right now it's trading around 80 cents, that is huge profit. And I'm sure this thing is going to bounce back. So we are going to use the same thing again, like kind of the retracement on short term. So remember, always this not financial to buy or sell. So if you buy around from 11 cents here and you do the sell, if you are kind of technical that you know what time to stay out. So this is now our next support and resistance. So we expect 17 cents, 16 cents, 15 cents, and 13 cents. So I'm not promising like if you are going to go down there or wherever. So by now we don't have any sell signals on 4-hour chart when you use the price section. Okay, so on monthly we have already have that one sell around 20 cents. The first time we saw that one, if you're like a day trader, and yeah, I'm going to watch a lot of things. I'm going to spend my time on this one because I've been thinking about so it's used like 45 minutes now. um every time this dot has been calling the bottom. So the first one here, when you see closely one, you push to all the way here, and then a can coin retrace again, told you add your position, and again all of these 45 minutes chat, 1 hour, 4 hours daily candles or only chats is telling you this is the best time to this year. Yeah, you can pay all the way down, but for me, I think I was running technical yesterday, and it was cool, and I will go to show you why I bought yesterday. So let's go another chart here now. So right now we are diving under another technicals, watching the pair. So you see up here around 20 cents on 45 minutes, some shares people sold. The last one we saw, the first one, it was 227,000 coins, followed by 29,000, 1,700. But you see down here we have a lot of pairs, around 16. And that's why I'm telling you, like around 17, this thing, it may be Ponce's Park. Yeah, if sell-off is not going to happen. So on 4 hours, this is what I like to use always. So we have they sold around 272,000 coins, but we see around 17 cents we have 54,000, and then around 16 cents at the same 17 and 16 we have 1.2 million shares, and that will be going to now 16 cents. That's why I told you we may hold this area, which is around that bottom, and that's where you should buy. Kanako another chance. So now we have some of this is what I'm using always. We have another one here. That's what I'm telling you. Obvious, this X here is telling you the time to buy, and this dots here we have on 4 hours chat, guys. We have some telling you to buy, and it told you to sell there, but once we broke this red box here, it was time to watch out. And let me see the problem again here. Okay, let's go now. We have this. Yeah, remember now, if this continuation, we have still another target around 13 cents. So I'm going to decide. I don't have much shares here, and so my pencil now is below 0.2. That's where, and below this here all the way to, because we have this one on 4 hours, just telling you in the future we still the coin might go to test 13 cents. So that's, I'm always very curious. I'm very taking I don't want to because we are not sure. This is the first time for year open, and a lot of things may be, yeah, around that 13 cents. We have a lot of, yeah, 13 cents is going to be important, and 16 cents. So we have this, we have the target. So we have 16 and 13. Put your on this one here. So right now the last one we are going to watch something like a liquidation. So around 21 cents is the highest. That's when it was short sellers started putting puts or wherever, I don't know. But now 14 cents is again, it's very important. So that's where we have another liquidation. So some people went along from 14 cents, and we're going to liquidate the people around that area, around what is 14, around 14, yeah, around 14.5 or, yeah, or 15 cents. So it's very easy. So these things, a lot of these things pump, and the same way they pump, the same way they will, yeah. And then we have 2.7 million, around 11 cents. So the lady longs is still safe, but if your short term is going to be different, guys. Thank you so much. And the Bitcoin hit the liquidation around 94,000, and yes, we have long around 84, and 94 is a short, guys. Thanks so much and have a nice day.